When you're running a business, and more specifically a software arbitrage business or an agency, everyone understands that there are multiple different industries and niches that you can work with. You can sell websites to gyms, you could sell reputation management to restaurants, you could sell a CRM to real estate agents. When you're running a business like this, there's no real cap on the amount of businesses that you can work with in whatever industries that you want to work with. In today's video, I'm going to explain some of my favorite niches that I've been working with over the last 3 years while I've been running my software business. And this is the exact same business that I've been running to hit 20K consistently every single month. This business has not only allowed me to make a bunch of money, it's allowed me to get time freedom and location freedom. This means that I am literally making money no matter where I go, and I'm able to travel all around the globe. I'm able to provide for the people that matter to me, and every now and again I will buy something just like this Rolex. So the first industry or niche that I'm going to talk to is working with hotels. Hotels are the most untapped industry out there whenever it comes to running an online business. Whenever you think online business and niches, people always just go to the construction companies like roofing companies, plumbers, solar companies, and a ton more. You want to go after the most untapped industries, and hotels happen to be one of the best things that you can sell to hotels is reputation management. If you don't already know what reputation management is, I have so many other videos covering this on my channel, but you're pretty much able to help businesses get a ton more positive Google reviews and completely hide and internalize any negative reviews. This will help your clients drastically start ranking higher on Google so they can outrank their competitors. The reason why I sell reputation management to hotels is, think about the last time that you checked into a hotel. I can pretty much guarantee before you booked that hotel, you checked out some of the images from the hotel, and you also checked out some of the reviews from that hotel. Because the thing is, when you're spending all of that money, you want to make sure that you're not staying in some dump. Every single time that I get speaking with a decision maker over at hotel, they're always super interested and keen on reputation management. I can guarantee if you just focus on working with hotels and selling reputation management, you are going to get some clients that way. It doesn't even matter if the hotels are around the globe in any other country. Hotels are in desperate need of reputation management, and you should provide this for them. Real quick guys, if you want to get access to a completely free step-by-step course that shows you absolutely everything that you need when it comes to running a software arbitrage business, selling reputation management, selling websites, and a ton more, you'll also get access to all of my scripts, my website templates, how to do all of this, how to get it all set up, how to find clients, how to reach out to clients. I have a completely free step-by-step course down below. All you gotta do is click on that first link down below in the description, or check out the pinned comment. So the next industry that I enjoy working with the most is restaurants. Restaurants are very similar to hotels. At the end of the day, they're both within the hospitality industry. So the same things that applies to hotels also applies to restaurants. The thing with restaurants though is, yes, reviews are very, very important because like hotels, people are always checking the reviews, but restaurants can really use some of the other features inside of your software business. Like for example, whenever I am selling GoHighLevel as a software to businesses, I'm not just selling reputation management. I sell so many of the other features like the email marketing, the social media scheduling tool, the website builder, calendars, missed call Textback, and a ton more. Like I said, with restaurants, they can absolutely use reputation management, but also consider adding in some of the other features. I recommend missed call Textback where, for example, if someone was to go on Google Maps and search for restaurants near me, it's usually going to be the ones at the very top that the person is going to give a call. But what happens if someone is very hungry, they make a call, and that restaurant doesn't pick up? More often than not, the person's just going to go to the next restaurant underneath in the list. With missed call Textback, whenever you get that enabled for a client, which is extremely simple, it's literally just one button, you enable that for businesses and it's completely set up. What will happen is whenever someone calls that business, before they even get a chance to move on to the next business, they will instantly receive a text message from your client, being the restaurant, and it can say something along the lines of, hey, it's X restaurant, I'm sorry I just missed your call, are you looking to book a table? And that instantly re-engages the lead so they don't even have the chance to go down to the next business. And the people almost feel bad by moving on, so they're just going to reply to the message and they're most likely going to get booked in for a table. The third and final industry that I'm going to cover in today's video is real estate agents. Every single time that I've worked with a real estate agent To my surprise, they really enjoyed reputation management. The reason why this surprised me so much was because real estate agents don't deal with as many people as a hotel would or as a restaurant. You know, a hotel might have 200 people or 300 people staying in any one night, whereas a real estate agent might only have, you know, 2 or 3 or 5 deals coming through every single week. So I always thought because their customer list was so much smaller, I never really approached real estate agents about this until one of my first real estate agents actually seen the reputation management inside of his HighLevel account. He asked me to explain it. He was extremely interested, so we just implemented it for him. This has led to his estate agency ranking up around the top 3 consistently every single month on the Google Maps. But another thing that I always sell to real estate agents is the CRM. You got to think about it. Inside of a CRM, what is that actually for? It is for sales teams so they can track all of their customers coming in, all of the leads coming in, the exact stage they're at inside the pipeline. So, you know, for example, anytime someone fills out a form, they will be at the first stage in the pipeline and showing interest. Whereas there are some leads that might be closer to the finish line. You know, they might have booked a physical appointment, they might have signed a contract, they might have paid a deposit. There is a massive customer journey when it comes to real estate agents compared to other businesses like the hotels and the restaurants. So when you're working with real estate agents, I always recommend selling the CRM and reputation management. That's pretty much everything for today's video. I really recommend you go out there, you use the information that you've just learned today in this video, and you start implementing it. And just to prove that this is not luck, not only have I hit 20K every month with this business model, but I have taught countless other people how to do the exact same thing, selling the exact same features to the exact same industries. So, like I said, if you want access to a completely free step-by-step course that shows you absolutely everything there is to know about this business and using HighLevel. So, if you do want access to that, click on that first link down below in the description. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. It would be much appreciated if you could drop a like and a sub on this channel. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly over on Instagram. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.